Hey guys, Anneliese and Janelle here to show you DNA replication. We're going to start off with panel 1, which is known as initiation. So this right here is how to not draw DNA. DNA looks like a broken zipper basically. You have your two strands and open in the middle, and in the middle is the replication fork. We're going to start off with the helicase, which is shown as this sideways triangle, and it breaks hydrogen bonds and unzips the DNA. In front of the helicase, we have two enzymes, which are topoisomerase and gyrase, and they relieve stress. Along outside the two strands are the SSBPs, or single-stranded binding proteins, and they keep the fork open, which keeps the strands apart. So after panel 1, we have panel 2, which is elongation. So to start off with panel 2, we're going to write 3' 5' on the ends of the leading strand, which is the bottom strand. And right here is the primase, which drops off RNA primers, making a landing zone for what's going to be the DNA polymerase 3. So then the DNA polymerase 3 comes in, starts at the landing zone, adding complementary bases, and it reads 3' 5' but writes 5' 3', and that's very important to remember. So the bottom strand, which is the leading strand, is 3' 5', and the top strand, which is the lagging strand, is 5' 3', and both are opposites to one another. Now we have the final panel, which is panel 3, and it's the edits. So to start off panel 3, primase has already gone, and the DNA polymerase 3 elongates, and coming in is the DNA polymerase 1 as shown in orange, and it proofreads 4 mistakes and swaps RNA primers for DNA. After DNA polymerase 1 has finished proofreading, ligase comes in and it repairs the phosphate backbone and joins the Agasaki fragments. So it's just a reminder, the lagging strand is going opposite direction as the leading strand. We still have the same process such as with the primase and the DNA polymerase 3. As you can see, it's just going the other direction as the process in the leading strand. And again, remember the primase makes that landing zone for the DNA polymerase 3, and don't forget, the DNA polymerase 3 reads 3' 5', but writes 5' 3'. And that's the DNA replication process. Thanks, guys.